looks promising as of now. I think पहले से बहुत काम कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क बहुत हो चुका है, तो इसलिए ट्रैफिक भी ऐसा अनऑर्गेनाइज ट्रैफिक बहुत कम मिल रहा है, तो देखते। बट वेदर अभी तक बहुत सही है, तो राइड करने में भी बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। एंड सिंस इट्स अ सुपर शॉर्ट राइड, मैंने वो गियर वगैरह कुछ नहीं पहना है। आई जस्ट वेयरिंग माई हुडी एंड ट्रैक पैंट्स एंड दैट्स ऑल। आई डोंट वांटेड टू ओवरलोड माई सेल्फ विद टू मच ऑफ थिंग्स, क्योंकि इधर ही है अराउंड 50-60 किलोमीटर्स, सो 120 टोटल, सो 60 किलोमीटर्स का ही राइड था, आई मीन राइड है। सो थॉट लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा विद ऑल द गियर एंड एवरीथिंग, इवन दो it is recommended, but चलेगा। anyways I ride defensively, so okay, यहाँ पे it's a bit off-roadish. okay, पहले यहाँ पे एक सिग्नल होता था, अभी वो बंद हो गया। now it's a signal free road. Okay, there's some devotions as such. I'm coming to this side after, like I said, I'm coming to this side almost after many months. I don't know, last time when I came to this side was when it was raining so much. During the monsoon, yeah, that time I came here. उसके बाद मैंने आया ही नहीं बिकॉज ऑफ द हेल ऑफ अ ट्रैफिक। इट्स शोइंग ब्लू, सो होपफुली ट्रैफिक नहीं है। यहाँ पे थोड़ा ट्रैफिक मिल सकता है आते वक्त, देख लेंगे। Man, oh man, I missed, doing these rides. I mean, काम की वजह से इतना ये हो गया था, and also life sometimes, I mean, it's an unpredictable thing. So because of that, I couldn't do much of riding after 2025, even though I had promised myself like I'll be doing like good amount of riding and exploration, but हो नहीं पाया। But yeah, I mean, I don't want to put too much pressure on me, on myself, but more than quantity, I want to do a bit of quality, riding. So but still at times I need to recharge myself as well. So इसलिए I'm doing this short ride today, because it was getting a lot too much for me since the last few weeks. So I wanted to get that mental peace, and also to help myself back where I can focus a lot on everything. So for that I needed a ride, be it a short one or a long one. So yeah, so here we are on the road on a Saturday morning after witnessing the sunrise. And whenever I feel low, I always want to go to the beach or to the beach side. So which is what I'm doing now. Bus 5-10 minutes near the beach, and that's it. It does magic for me. So that's what I'm doing now. So yeah. There was a time when this part of the distant suburb used to be like like a village. Now I can see like a lot of big tall buildings and everything. Like development is happening here, like a very fast pace. Even though it's like quite far away from Mumbai, they still like to consider this part of a distant suburb of Mumbai because of the local trains running till Virar and Anu. If distance wasn't a problem, then I would have loved living here, but it's so peaceful and the people are also like quite chill, and you get that Goan vibe also over here, Goan Kerala vibe also here. Speaking of which, I mean, I have lived here for a few years. I think it was during my college time, 2000, from 2005, no, not 2005, like around 2007 till 2010, 11. It used to be quite peaceful and quite laid back, but now a lot of people have started shifting to this side also, even though they have to go through all the hustle bustle of local train. It's a hard life to live here, especially when you have to keep traveling to Mumbai for your job. But yeah, there's no other option that you have to take it. But you never know, since development is happening. In the future, maybe we might come back here, because I love this place, Vasai. Like, this is what I was talking about. Like, there was a time when it used to be like this empty, field, But now look at that side, it's all filled with tall buildings all across. It's good. I mean, it's a good thing in a way. People are getting to live in much more affordable houses. But like I said, if the distance and the convenience was a little bit more better in terms of traveling from Mumbai, I would have loved coming back and living here. Like for retirement life, this is the best place, I would say. Hands down, this is the best place if you want to live a peaceful retirement life. But if you're working, then it's a bit of a problem. So this is like one of my favorite places to come whenever I feel riding to. Like for when I feel like going for a short ride. So this is Rajouri Beach, the road towards Rajouri Beach in Vasai. Like it's a beautiful location, but but I love the view that I get from here, especially the coastal line and the vibe of this place. So yeah, let's enjoy the visuals and the vibe over here. Oh, camel ride. Like a lot of people come here in the morning to do diving lessons and even just to chill. So it's so cool, right? Like I can see like a lot of people getting the swimming and diving lessons over there. And during evening time, during the sunset, this place becomes more lively with a lot of people, a lot of small restaurants, and shack-like thing is also here. So that also becomes lively. That's why I told you, like this place gives me a Goa vibe, a Goa Kerala vibe even, because of the coastal touch that it has. I don't know how many times I've been here, but every time I come here, it's like new for me. Only thing that, like I said, it's like if people could keep it, be a bit more responsible and keep this place clean. Otherwise, it's all good.